Okay, dear audience, please prepare yourself. So far, we had a major teaching from Geshe Michael, and we were meditating on it with Bill and with Geshe Michael himself. Also, we've stretched our channels. We've prepared ourselves for absorbing the wisdom, and we are in anticipation to learn more about emptiness and dependent origination. Thank you. Welcome, Geshe Michael.
Selamat datang, Geshe Michael.
Hi.
Hello.
Francisco, Brian, it's the 1.3, picture 1.3. Yeah, okay, good.
Untuk 1,3.
Thank you for organizing this class.
Terima kasih
Thank
sudah
you for
mengorganisasi kelas ini.
It's nice to be in Phoenix, and it's a beautiful place. I think it's a beautiful
Tempat yang
place
sangat
to
bagus.
talk. Okay. I should warn you now that we didn't
Ya,
have much
Anda,
time to
bahwasanya
practice
kita tidak
music
terlalu yang banyak waktu
so
untuk
it's
berlatih.
pretty bad. So
Sayang
just
sekali ya.
put some earplugs and come. Okay.
Pasang
All right.
earplug Anda dan datang.
The musicians are good. We just didn't have time. Okay.
Para musisi dia datang dan kita harus datang.
Talking about Nang Tong. Okay.
Kita akan berbicara tentang Namtong. Dan
Some difficult ideas, and a lot of people
ini ide yang
don't learn it. It's not.
sulit.
You can't learn it very often. But
Anda bisa
this
sering
whole part,
berlatih bagian
the
semua bagian
angel
ini.
talk, angel, devil debate, and angel talk is about the subject of Nang Tong. Okay, so Nang, again, try to get an idea in your mind. When Geshe-la says Nang,
Ketika
it
Geshe
means what
mengatakan Nam,
appears to you. What
itu
appears
artinya
to you.
apa yang muncul dari Anda. Dan
It's all of those things which are coming from pictures from your mind. Okay, it's all of those things which your mind is creating with pictures. And by the way, it doesn't mean they're not real. Okay.
ngomong-ngomong itu
We used to
foto itu
teach it in New York. It was very funny.
tidak real, tidak nyata, dipakai untuk mengajar di New York.
If some students said
Jika beberapa murid mengatakan itu tidak benar,
then I will tell them, okay, you go out on
gambar itu muncul dari pikiran Anda dan saya akan mengatakan kepada Anda,
stand in front of a New York taxi cab.
coba
And
berdiri
you
di
will have the
depan
appearance of a broken leg.
di depan taksi di New York dan Anda akan melihat gambaran kaki yang
Bill from the hospital.
patah.
And it's all real. All those things are real. Okay.
Dan semua itu nyata sekali.
Say Nang.
Jadi
Yeah, it's high
katakan
tone.
Nang. Nang dengan nada tinggi.
What's a low tone Nang? $100. Rob. Wait, raise your hand. Low tone Nang. 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 Nang.
Nang. Nang.
Nang ba. Nang ba.
Nang ba. Nang ba.
You're getting as bad as word.
Okay. One is insight, and the other one is kind of luminous light appearance.
I want Nang ba.
Saya ingin Nang ba. Nang ba.
Okay, cancel that. Peachtree. Buddhist? Yeah. Wait, not you. Too late. Hey, Rob, just give him the number to my bank account. We don't have to work so hard. Okay.
Berikan nomor bank saya kepada.
Yeah, Nang means inner, inside.
Nang artinya dalam, Nang ba artinya Buddhis.
And then say Nang. Nang
Sekarang
means all those things.
Katakan Nang. Nang artinya semua pikiran yang keluar di pikiran Anda. Hasil dari proses dari terbukanya buibit di pikiran. Tapi itu sangat cepat sekali. Kan kamu tidak tahu, kamu tidak akan bisa mengerti hal ini. Kamu tidak akan bisa melihat ini. Sangat, 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 sangat cepat sekali. Itu dikatakan dengan nang. Dan dong
If you try to
artinya
find something which is not made by your pictures, you can't find anything. Okay? There's no such thing. That's emptiness.
Tidak ada
That's
hal
emptiness.
seperti itu.
What's the $100? Okay, ready?
Ini
Peter and
untuk
Maria gave me some
$100
money
dolar.
yesterday from my publisher.
Memberikannya kepada saya semalam.
What was the question?
Apa pertanyaannya?
Huh?
Apa pertanyaannya?
Huh? I can't hear you. Okay. Oh, I didn't say the question yet. Okay.
Oke.
If Nang is all the pictures that come from you, then
Nang
what
itu
is Dong according to Nang?
gambar yang keluar dari pikiranmu. Jadi sekarang apa artinya dong?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can say that.
Anda bisa mengatakan hal itu juga.
Yeah.
Seperti itulah.
Try to find anything
Kalau
which
Anda
is not
mencoba
coming from your seeds, you won't find anything.
mencari hal yang
Shunyata. That's emptiness. Okay.
itulah
What's
sunyat,
next?
emptiness, kekosongan.
What's the Spanish? I forgot. Vacuidad. Okay.
Apa
All
bahasa
right.
Spanyol?
So
Senjata.
I want you to know Nang and Dong. Okay. Say Nang
Jika
Dong.
Anda tahu Nang
And
dan
today I want you to learn two
Nang,
more words.
sekarang kita belajar dua kata lagi.
Yuta. Meta.
Ya, yata dan meta. Yuta, meta.
His Holiness the First Panchen Lama goes to Nang,
Yang mulia Pancenlama pertama,
and then he goes to Yuta, and then he goes to Meta.
Nang dulu,
So
Tong, Yuta.
Yuta means edge. Okay, it means like the edge of the stage here. It's called
Ta itu sendiri adalah seperti pinggiran.
You can name
Iya.
a famous teacher who
Siapa yang
has
bisa
ta.
mengingat nama ya
God raise your hand.
yang terkenal yang memiliki
Yeah,
hand?
I didn't offer any money.
Kata
All right, you could wait until I offer the money.
nggak bisa menunggu sampai aku
Tarchin was my
ya.
lama's name.
Tarchin adalah nama guru
Ta
saya.
means edge.
Artinya
In this case, ta means
tepian.
edge. Tar means to the edge.
Dalam hal ini
And
ta
chin
artinya
means he already went past the edge. He went past the edge. Means he reached Buddhahood or
artinya
something.
usia. Jadi Tarchin artinya
But in philosophy, ta means
dalam
you
filosofi
went
ta
too far in
Anda
your mind.
terlalu jauh
You went
dalam
too
pikiran
far.
Anda.
And
Anda terlalu
what
jauh
you are thinking
dalam
about
pikiran.
is
Apa yang Anda
wrong.
pikirkan dalam hal
It's
ini
impossible. Okay. So
adalah
ta
salah dan
in
itu tidak mungkin.
philosophy, ta means
Jadi ta dalam
you went
filosofi
too
artinya
far in your
too
thinking.
far,
And
artinya
there's a
terlalu jauh.
yuta and there's a
Yuta,
metta. So yuta
yuta
means
dan meta.
you
Yuta artinya
went too far
Anda
thinking
terlalu
of
jauh
what things are.
memikirkan
You.
apa yang dipikirkan.
That's called
You,
yuta.
yuta.
And then there's metta means you went
Kemudian
too
ada
far
meta,
in
artinya
thinking about
Anda terlalu
things
jauh memikirkan
don't exist. Okay. So
hal-hal
yuta,
yang tidak
you went too far
ada.
thinking how things exist. Metta,
Yuta,
you went too far thinking about how things don't exist. Okay.
memikirkan
And those are
hal-hal
the two
yang
problems
terlalu
for
jauh tentang
people
hal-hal
who
yang
learn
tidak ada.
about Nangtong. Okay. Once you understand everything's coming
Dan
from your
pasti
seeds,
semua hal dari
and
keluar
once you
datang dari
understand that
diri
there's
Anda,
nothing that's not coming from your seeds. By the
maka
way,
tidak
emptiness is always a double negative. There's
mengubah
nothing which is not.
kekosongan itu selalu double negatif.
That's emptiness. Okay. So nangtong.
Nangtong
So if I tell you the
jika
person
saya
who's
mengatakan
under
kepada
nangtong,
seseorang
they
yang
go too far thinking something exists, what do you think it is? Yeah, standing went like this, or they think that things could exist without your seeds, okay? And you are not making the pen. Okay? The pen was made in a factory, and the pen writes
semua
things.
itu kalau semua datangnya dari sana berarti pena itu tidak ada karena pena itu datang dari pabrik. Oke?
there's a deep point that you have to understand, okay?
Ada poin penting yang Anda harus
Cab
mengerti.
exists, it's real.
Pena itu
The taxi cab exists, it's real. It can bring you
nyata,
right, and the
taksi itu
pen can
nyata,
write things.
dan pena itu nyata karena bisa
$300.
menulis. Untuk $300,
Tell me how a pen writes things.
bagaimana pena itu bisa menulis.
The pen which is coming from your seeds can write things
Pena
when
itu
seeds are
ada
coming from your mind and
nyata
kind
menulis
of
karena
touching the pen, and the pen never touched the paper, and the picture is coming from your mind and appearing the letters on the paper which are coming from your mind.
I'll make it 400 if you can say one more thing.
saya akan buatkan saya akan
300 already, so maybe
Anda sudah dapat $300, dan saya berikan tambahan 400 lagi kalau Anda bisa nambah satu hal lagi.
then how does the ink in the pen run out? If you
Bagaimana pena tinta di dalam pena itu bisa keluar?
Seeds for making this picture having the letters on the paper. Then the paper, you see the paper with no letters when you're trying to write down something by pen.
Okay, 400.
Thank you.
Anda mendapatkan $400.
All right.
Hebat.
All right. So ta means cliff. I gotta, there's a
Artinya
picture. And there's a big debate about it, but basically,
ada perdebatan besar
in
mengenai
your
hal ini.
mind, you fall
Secara
off the
dasar,
cliff and you kill yourself.
pikiran Anda jatuh
These
ke
two ways of seeing things wrong are called
ini adalah dua
falling
cara
off the
untuk
cliff
melihat
because they kill you. They ruin your life. Okay?
Anda
So
jatuh ke tepian
if you
karena ingin
believe
membunuh.
Yuta, things
Kalau
exist
Anda percaya kepada
too
Yuta,
much, it means they are coming
terlalu
from the
banyak,
outside. Okay?
terlalu
If you
terlalu
believe things
berlebihan.
are coming from
Kalau
the
Anda
outside,
percaya pada
you fall off the
hal
cliff.
datang dari sisinya,
The
maka
existing
Anda
cliff,
jatuh dari
the
jurang.
cliff that things are there, the cliff of believing that things are there. If you believe they are coming from their side, you fell
Kalau
off
Anda
that cliff.
percaya
Okay?
sesuatu, semua hal itu datang dari sisinya, maka Anda jatuh dari tepian jurang.
How would Yuta,
Stop
how would
ini.
falling off that cliff that things exist too much, right? How would that
Bagaimana
affect your relationship with other people, especially irritating people?
Bagaimana Yuta bisa nyata ketika Anda melihat orang-orang yang mengesalkan.
So if you're thinking that things are coming from their own side and that they exist independently, it would mean that if you ran into someone who's annoying, you would think that they're just being like that and that you didn't have anything to do with that based on your behavior in the past.
$100. Yeah.
Nah, itu adalah
And then your reaction would be to hurt them, to try to hurt them. Okay? And
reaksi Anda untuk mencoba untuk melukai mereka. Jika Anda ingin mengetahui bagaimana itu bisa kelihatan seperti
they will not get along with other people. They will blame other people.
mereka
They
akan
will say,
menyalahkan
"This
orang
person, I
lain,
told this person
mereka
1,000 times. They still don't listen to me."
kepada orang-orang besar. Orang ini saya sudah beritahu
That kind
1000
of
kali.
person is living at the bottom of the cliff. Okay, they already fell off the cliff.
Mereka sudah jatuh dari tebing.
There's a famous percentage. Okay, the number of people who fall off
Ada persentase yang sangat terkenal.
existing cliff is 99, and the people who fall off the cliff of nothing exists, they are 1%. For no money,
Untuk
who fell
tidak
off the cliff of don't
bahagia.
exist?
It's those who already know about karma and they believe that everything and everybody they see just projection, so which means they don't exist at all. Nice. And it's very dangerous because you can do whatever you want because it's just your projection, and this way you don't feel too much love to them because they just, I don't know, illusion.
Sometimes people give $100 answer. Anyway, okay.
Kita berikan hadiah 100.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
There's a very famous
Ini sangat
stupid
terkenal.
idea that Buddhist people believe in emptiness.
Jadi sangat bodoh.
Therefore, Buddhist people believe nothing exists.
Oleh karena
Therefore, you
itu,
can do whatever you want because it doesn't matter. Nothing's real.
semuanya
And
tidak nyata.
there's whole hundreds of years of Buddhists in some countries sitting in front of a wall and close their eyes
Beberapa
and
negara
try to
ada
think about nothing.
yang Buddha duduk di dinding 100 tahun dan tidak melakukan apapun, hanya berkata,
Terrible, terrible accident. This car fell off the cliff, you know. A whole religion, a whole country's culture, religion, a Buddhism of some
ada
countries.
beberapa negara
Sit and think about nothing.
gayanya
It's an extraordinary mistake, huge mistake. It's a
benar-benar kesalahan luar biasa
so
tentang
you gotta
idealisme.
okay. All right. So now you've got 4 words that I want you to remember.
Anda sudah
Even after the
kata
class ends. Nang,
nang, tong,
yata,
yuta,
okay?
meta.
And feel comfortable with those, okay? Nang
Anda harus
means
ingat 4 kata itu.
everything
Nang
around
artinya
you, which is
semua hal
comfortable.
di
It
sekeliling
has a
Anda
little
perhatikan.
bit of a, when you see
Anda
seeds in the
melihat
mind,
semua
opening,
di pikiran Anda.
you will see that they open as a luminous picture. It's not
Itu
just a picture.
semua adalah seperti
It's a
gambar
little bit shiny.
cahaya di dalam pikiran Anda
Has a halo
yang
around
bersinar.
it, okay? That's why they call it appearance.
Itulah yang
Pictures
namanya
coming out,
uh,
and the day that you see it, you will see those pictures with a little bit of a halo. Nang, like my head, John's head. Okay, Tong, Rick's head. Tong, then Tong means things that come from their own side. They just don't exist. There's no such thing. That's emptiness. Okay. All right. Then he says something. Well, you can meditate on those 4 things now. Nang, Tong,
Anda
Yut.
bisa meditasi terhadap 4 hal tadi.
Need a
Nam,
meditation.
Tong, Yutha,
That's a
Metta.
useful meditation. Then he says,
Kemudian
it's the yin yang. You got it, you guys?
yang
The next picture, I think. Skip the meditation picture, go to the next
slide
picture.
berikutnya kita coba selewatin slide meditasi. Ini
Back to that guy.
kembali lagi ke pria yang sebelumnya.
I explained it to the AI for about half an hour. Finally, the AI finally understood.
Saya menjelaskan kepada AI
By the way,
setelah
I
selama
cannot
setengah jam,
teach
akhirnya AI bisa
AI
menghasilkan
not to do this thing, which is
Saya tidak
impossible
sengaja
to
AI itu
navigate like that. Okay?
melakukan pose seperti ini.
Your hands fall asleep, or you can't do
Anda bisa
that. But
tertidur.
all AIs believe that. That's a
Tapi
problem.
semua AI percaya gitu.
So he's meditating on Tong. The wall in front of him represents Tong. But
Dia
there
itu
is
sedang meditasi terhadap
behind him.
Tong, atau dinding di depan dia itu mewakili Tong.
That picture is supposed to represent Nang
Oh.
Tong. Okay.
Gambar ini seharusnya mewakili Tong.
But
Jadi
he's also, there's nothing else which exists in the other way. That's
di
Tong.
belakangnya itu
All right, next picture, you guys.
mewakili Tong. Artinya tidak ada apapun atau emptiness, kekosongan.
Yeah. These 2 things, Nang and Tong, they
Hal ini
define
dua hal tentang Nam dan Tong.
coexist. Okay? Because there's Nang, there can be Tong. Because there's Tong,
Jika tidak ada Nam,
there can be
maka tidak ada Tong. Tapi karena ada Nam, maka tidak ada Tong.
intimately interconnected. Okay?
Mereka kedua hal ini
Things
sangat
appear to you, because
terhubung
things appear to you through pictures.
karena
Then
semua
they're
hal
empty of not appearing through
di
pictures.
pikiran Anda.
Okay? So those 2 things
Jadi dua hal
define
ini
each other. And by the way, that
definisikan masing-masing.
is all the things in the world which exist. Okay? That's all. There's nothing else in the world. Things are either the fact that things are appearing from your mind, or they are what is not that way, which is nothing. Okay, that's emptiness. Can you
Apakah
think
Anda
about emptiness and it becomes none?
pikirkan tentang kekosongan dan
When you see emptiness directly,
Anda melihat kekosongan
is a
secara
picture coming from your mind?
apakah ada
It has to be.
eh,
It has to be. It
gambar
actually
yang
has to be.
sebenarnya
I
harus
don't
ada
see
ya
that
harus
exists.
ada gambar
It's a
keluar
picture
di
that
dalam
comes from your mind. Even emptiness is a
bahkan
picture that comes from
kekosongan
your mind. Okay.
ada gambar yang keluar di
That's
pikiran
a
Anda
difficult point, but that's
itu
something.
poin yang sangat sulit.
Then I changed the translation. Okay, so I finished translating this book
Saya sudah
14
menulis
years. I
ini
finished it
selama
a few
14
months
tahun
ago.
dan sudah menyelesaikan beberapa bulan yang lalu.
I think it's
Saya menyelesaikannya sekitar
600 verses, I think. And I finished it.
600
And now I'm writing a little commentary, mini commentary.
kalimat.
I want to stay in the background and just throw in a few comments once in a while for Buddhist ideas that people never heard of. You know what I mean? But I don't want to write a commentary. I just want to help people.
Saya
as
tidak
we
mau
go.
menulis
So
komentar.
it will
Saya hanya
have
ingin
little comments
saya ingin
between
membantu
for things that
orang-orang.
people never heard of. I don't want to do footnotes because it messes up the
Saya tidak
appearance
ingin
of the
melakukan ini karena saya hanya ingin membantu
I thought about
orang-orang.
doing a commentary in the back, but nobody will look
Saya
at it.
tidak mau melakukan komentar di belakangnya,
I decided just one
jadi saya
flow,
memutuskan
and then I decided to break it up. The angel and the devil switch places 20 times in this
Malaikat
book.
dan
20
setan,
times the angel talks, and 20 times the devil talks. Okay, and
iblis
they're just about equal verses. Okay,
20 kali malaikat berkata dan 20 kali
democracy. The devil got to talk half time, and the angel got to talk half time. Okay. I changed this translation. Tim asked me, "Did you change any translations, Geshe-la?" And I did
saya
change
menukar
this translation.
saya mengganti penerjemahan ini. Tim menanyakan kepada saya apakah saya menukar penerjemahan ini.
And I'll read it to you now. Okay. The verse says, "For all the reasons that we've named
Rasanya
here,"
mengatakan,
that's a joke. Okay. For all the reasons that we've named here, emptiness almost seems to arise from the appearance of things. And the appearance of things almost seems to arise from emptiness. Can't you see what intimate friends they are? Who's talking? Angel or devil?
semua sama dari penampilan dari hal-hal, semua hal-hal, dan semua penampilan dari hal-hal itu datang dari kekosongan. Anda tidak bisa melihat ya dua hal itu saling menciptakan. Kekosongan itu hampir tidak mungkin bisa ada.
I noticed more strongly the word da. If you know Tibetan, the second line, the third line has
Kalau
da
Anda tahu
at the end, which means seems like.
tentang
Seems like.
Tibetan, bahasa Tibet, kalimat kedua, ya dra, kalimat ketiga. Kekosongan datang dari penampilannya.
Arises from emptiness. Okay, it almost seems that emptiness is arising from
Sepertinya
appearance, and it almost seems that appearance is arising from emptiness. Why is it wrong to say emptiness arises from appearance and appearance arises from emptiness? Why is
kenapa
it wrong?
kekosongan dikatakan kekosongan hadir datang dari penampilan dan penampilan datang dari kekosongan?
They are two sides of the same coin. By the way, I stopped using.
Mereka itu seperti dua sisi dalam satu koin. Beberapa ide terlalu tua buat Anda seperti pena. Sekarang aku menggunakan handphone, sisi depan dan sisi belakang. Saya tidak mengatakan dua sisi dari satu koin. Ya, mereka stop membuat mencetak koin. Ya, sama seperti dua sisi dari sebuah koin.
Why you cannot say that one arises from the other?
Kenapa Anda tidak bisa mengatakan satu hal itu bangkit ada dari hal yang lain? Tim, Anda mau mencoba?
Yeah, good.
Ya, baik, bagus.
Emptiness is uncaused. Emptiness
Kekosongan
cannot
itu
arise.
tidak
Arise
bisa
means
bangkit.
you are born, you're small,
Bangkit artinya
then you get
kamu
bigger and bigger and bigger. That's why
terlahirkan
rise goes like this.
besar, semakin besar, semakin besar, semakin
That's a change
Anda bisa naik.
in Buddhism. That's a change. All functional things.
Perubahan itu adalah semua perubahan dalam Buddhism.
By doing something, it kills itself. Okay. Emptiness and appearance never change. They were not born.
Kekosongan dalam hal
They did not start.
penampilan itu tidak pernah ada.
Okay. They just exist or they don't exist. Okay. They don't grow.
Mereka hanya ada atau tidak ada.
You gotta
Mereka tidak bisa dimulai.
It's very
Anda harus bisa mengerti itu, dan itu sangat penting sekali.
Emptiness cannot grow. Emptiness starts.
Kekosongan tidak bisa tumbuh. Kekosongan
Emptiness begins with
tidak mulai dari,
like this my glasses.
tidak dimulai
I made them in
seperti kacamata saya. Kacamata saya ini dibuat di Shenzhen,
so
dan
you know they made them, they put them together, they took them to the store.
kacamata ini mereka buat, disatukan semua bagian-bagiannya, dan ya seperti itu naik ke atas kemudian turun lagi.
Functional thing. That's a made thing. That's something
Itu
which
adalah
started,
barang yang berfungsi. Kekosongan dari kacamata ini dimulai saat dari kacamata ini berakhir.
until you smash the glasses. Then the emptiness of the glasses is gone, but it doesn't go like
Ketika
this.
kacamata ini musnah, maka kekosongan dari kacamata ini
Stop, finished. Okay, it doesn't start
dimulai, kemudian naik seperti grafik tangan saya ini naik, setelah itu turun. Anda tidak bisa mengatakan kekosongan itu datang dari atau hadir dari penampilan.
gonna teach it. I noticed he put the word here, you can see it.
Anda bisa melihat kalimat di sini, dra, artinya sepertinya.
That's because he knows it's not correct to say emptiness started or
Iya,
arose from.
kekosongan itu bukan dimulai atau
It's important
bangkit.
to understand these things. You think it sounds dumb.
Anda harus mengerti hal ini, sangat penting sekali. Anda kira saya sedang mengatakan tentang filosofi, tapi ini semua ada di pikiran Anda, dan Anda akan melihat kekosongan.
So people are like, why should I see emptiness?
Jadi kenapa harus saya harus melihat kekosongan? Tidak ada alasan yang lain.
20 minutes, you will visit
Dalam
every
20
planet
menit,
in the universe.
Anda akan
Come on, you gotta do that.
mengunjungi semua planet yang ada di alam semesta ini. Ini sangat sulit
There's
dipercaya.
nothing like that. Okay?
Tidak ada hal seperti itu.
You can
Anda harus
see
melakukan
these
itu.
classes,
Anda bisa
and you get
mengatakan
to
hal
have a
ini
20-minute trip around
hal
the
ini
universe.
sangat bodoh sekali di
Even
kelas
if
ini.
you never
Tapi
do
Anda
anything
akan
else, I think it's worth it. I think it's
Anda
worth
akan
it to take
mendapatkan
the class
20 menit yang sangat berharga ini.
If someone give you a 20-minute trip around the
Kalau
universe,
kalau ada orang yang memberikan Anda 20 menit untuk berkeliling ke seluruh
and they say,
alam
why?
semesta ini,
I say, I've met all of them. And that's not true. Okay. Then they're like, what? You know, okay. Are living beings infinite in the universe? Can you meet
semua
everyone?
makhluk hidup di alam semesta ini,
It's very nice. It's very cool. Okay, so get used to the fact that some things don't start. They come
ya,
into
Anda harus
existence.
terbiasa dengan semua hal itu tidak dimulai.
They don't arise. They don't
Mereka bukan
wake up,
bangkit
baby, bigger,
atau
think
tumbuh,
older. They don't do that.
bukan
Some things
seperti
come into
tumbuh,
existence
bang,
and blink out of
kemudian menjadi tua.
without changing. Okay. And those
Semuanya
are the big
berubah.
things.
Dalam Buddhism ini artinya berubah. Nam and Tong
Very important.
saling
Therefore, he has to
berkaitan.
be saying,
Itu sangat penting sekali.
it seems like each one is born from the other, but they cannot be born. They're not born.
Sepertinya
They just happen. I had the pleasure to teach 12 great translators for
saya
8-9 years now.
memiliki waktu yang sangat senang sekali mengajarkan 20 translator selama 8 sampai 9 tahun.
We try to work on these words.
Kita semua
After
bekerja
8 years with the
untuk
translators,
kalimat ini,
after
kata-kata
40
ini,
years before that, I'm
dan
still not
selama
sure what
8
to
sampai
call
9 tahun dan
dependent
sebelumnya
origination.
40
I
tahun,
hate this word.
saya tidak suka dengan kata
And I'll tell you something interesting.
dependent origination.
When you translate the word dependent origination, praticca samutpada, you cannot use a word that
Saya
means start.
tidak suka menggunakan kata dependent origination atau saling ketergantungan atau paticca samuppada. Semuanya saling
And you can
berkaitan.
say, so lately I came up with things that happen in
Belakangan saya muncul dengan kata saling ketergantungan. Anda tidak bisa mengatakan itu bertumbuh. Anda tidak boleh menggunakan kata bertumbuh. Nang terjadi karena ada tong dan tong terjadi karena ada nang. Mereka bukan tumbuh dari kecil ke besar, bukan. Itu sangat membosankan dan saya tidak suka itu. Itu sangat penting sekali untuk mengetahui bahwa kekosongan ada poin awalnya, poin mulainya, poin berakhir, tapi dia tidak pernah bertumbuh. Ingat itu ya. Saya selalu bermain tentang event ya. Peristiwa-peristiwa dia terjadi tapi bukan bertumbuh. Jadi kalau Anda belajar tentang Abhidharma, kalau Anda belajar tentang keaslian Buddhism, ya Anda harus, baik sekali Anda mengetahui tentang Abhidharma. Di Abhidharma, ini adalah kalimat pembuka. Artinya, semua hal yang mulai pasti akan berakhir. Dan
big difference. One is duce, sanskara, created by
satu lagi duce, sansara. Akibat dan sebab. Satu lagi dumace. Satu hal lagi, hal itu ada, tapi bukan karena sebab dan akibat. Berapa hal yang di universe ini ada, di alam semesta ini ada, tetapi bukan karena dari akibat, dari sebab. Berapa banyak? Berapa banyak yang mulai dan seberapa banyak yang ada tapi tidak mulai dan tidak pernah dimulai. Saya katakan 0,000. Di Abhidharma ada dikatakan hanya tiga hal menurut Abhidharma. Hal itu ada tapi tidak pernah bertumbuh. Ruang kosong dan oleh karena itu Pancalama pertama dengan bijaksana mengatakan dia mengatakan hampir. Enggak.
By the way, if I really taught you this text, it wouldn't take 14 years. It would take 100 years. He's extremely
Ngomong-ngomong,
great philosopher. He's one of the top 10 in history.
ngomong-ngomong dia adalah
Those of you who are
filosofer
studying
yang
Buddha
sangat luar biasa
as
dalam
a
100 tahun
very
terakhir,
full
salah satu
diamond way, it's
top
a
10.
wonderful opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Okay.
Ini adalah kesempatan yang sangat baik sekali.
All right.
Oke,
But I'm going to give you the same thing in a different way. Okay. So
saya akan
don't worry.
memberikan kepada Anda dengan cara yang berbeda. Jadi jangan khawatir.
I'm not the same person who wrote the Diamond Way courses 23 years ago.
Saya bukan orang yang sama yang menulis Diamond Way di 20 atau 30 tahun yang lalu.
Okay.
Hanya bercanda.
Then he says, he's very
Kemudian
he says,
kalimatnya mengatakan,
it's hard to decide who is
sangat sulit untuk
more
memutuskan
kind to you,
siapa yang lebih baik kepada
Nang or
Anda,
Tong.
Nang atau
And you're
Tong.
like, wait a minute, Geshe-la just said they can't be
Sebentar dulu, Geshe-la.
because they don't start. They exist, but they don't start. They
Mereka
don't
ada
grow.
tapi tidak
And they
pernah.
don't die.
Mereka ada tapi
They
tidak
start and they
pernah
stop, but they
tumbuh.
don't grow and they don't die. How's that? Okay. Then how can you say they are your friends? Okay. Like if you say,
Mereka itu adalah teman
if
Anda.
I ask you who's your best friends in this life,
Siapa yang menjadi
you
teman
should say
Anda
Nang and
teman
Tong.
baik Anda di hidup ini, Nang atau Tong?
Then everybody says, oh, where are they from? That's a weird name.
Oh, semua orang akan
My
menanya
two best friends
siapa mereka,
are
datang
Nang
dari
and
mana?
Tong.
Dua teman
But
baik
then
saya di hidup ini.
he says,
Dan kemudian
if you understand Nang Tong,
kalau Anda
that's
mengerti
your
tentang
best friend
Nangtong,
you ever met in
itu
your
adalah
life.
sahabat karya Anda
Because
dalam
it
beberapa
saves you a lot
hidup
of
ini.
misery. It saves you a lot of misery. All the misery, suffering.
Semua
I like the
semua
word misery. In
masalah
English,
dalam
misery
hidup Anda
means constant, long-term, irritating suffering. Suffering is
ya,
just kind
dalam
of like
bahasa Inggris misery atau
short. Misery
masalah
is
artinya
years long, like with a bad husband or something.
masalah-masalah yang
Like
terjadi
that's misery.
dalam waktu yang
Okay.
lama dan
So
berulang-ulang
he
sangat
says,
mengganggu Anda. Dan,
why
jadi
are Nang and
menurut
Tong
dia,
so kind?
kenapa
Why are they
Nang
with
dan
you
Tong itu
constantly? They save you
sangat
from
baik
misery.
pada Anda,
Okay. They save you
menye-
from long-term
menyelamatkan
misery.
Anda dari
Okay. Why?
masalah yang jangka panjang.
Easy
Kenapa?
answer.
Jawabannya
Yeah, you
sangat
don't
mudah.
yell back. You know, in theory, I still yell
Secara
back.
teori,
Okay, after 50 years exactly of touching emptiness.
setelah setelah 50 tahun saya menyentuh dunia berlian,
It starts the process of freedom, but it doesn't fix
setelah
your mind in
proses
intense
dimulainya kebebasan,
It takes many years of practice
dibutuh
with emptiness
latihan
to
bertahun-tahun
stop
untuk
feeling
tentang
irritated.
kekosongan,
Okay, I'm
untuk
trying to confess
berhenti
that I still feel irritated at people, you know, sometimes.
berhenti merasa
And it's so wrong because
terganggu
I know
kepada orang-orang yang
people
sangat
just ask me where they're coming
bermasalah
from. They say,
kepada Anda.
oh, I must have been irritating to my wife, you know.
Ya,
I know that.
semua orang-orang yang
But to
datang,
change your behavior is very difficult. Okay.
ya untuk
My
merubah
teacher said that
kebiasaan
he
Anda
asked me one day, I remember I was sitting next to
sangat
his
sulit
chair
sekali.
up
Saya
in
masih
his
ingat
room, and he said, is there
ketika saya
anything
duduk
good
di
about
ruangan,
suffering?
apakah ada hal-hal baik tentang penderitaan?
And he said, yeah, it reminds you to try to improve yourself.
Ya,
Okay.
menurut
Every
dia,
time you get angry
penderitaan
at
itu
someone,
adalah
it reminds you
datang
that
untuk
you're
mengingatkan
okay.
Anda
Okay. So in a
bahwasanya
way,
Anda
all the irritating people in the
untuk
world
mengingatkan Anda.
are very good
Jadi,
little reminders that you're not
jadi
alone.
sebenarnya
Okay.
secara tidak
Irritating people in the
langsung
world
orang-orang yang
function to remind you
mengganggu Anda
you're
itu
not
ada
there.
datang
Okay.
untuk
Cool.
mengingatkan Anda bahwasanya
Because you can
Anda
look at that
belum
picture. Come on,
belum
Brian. Nah, come on. Next one.
yang
Yeah. This is the reaction of a
ini
person
ada
who understands Nangtong when they
reaksi
meet
dari
irritated
orang
people.
yang mengerti tentang
Okay.
Nangtong
By the way, it doesn't
ketika
fix
bertemu
the
dengan
irritating
orang-orang
person.
menjengkelkan.
But if you're the person who understands Nangtong, then you will
Kalau
you will
Anda
not
adalah orang yang kena
you will hold your
tahu tentang
restrain
orang
yourself, which is called Vinaya.
Nangtong,
Okay. In this way, Nangtong is very
Dalam hal ini, Nangtong sangat
very much Nangtong. Okay, you reminded
sangat
me
baik. Ya,
that
terima
this
kasih pada
person comes
Nangtong
from my pictures. Okay, you reminded
karena
me.
mengingatkan kita bahwa orang ini datang dari gambaran kita. Dia datang dari
Don't
Anda.
get upset.
Ketika
You are
Anda
planting not
mulai
one,
kecewa,
hundreds
Anda
of new
bukan
plantations.
menanam hanya satu, Anda
That's
menanam
kind of scary.
ratusan,
Okay,
banyak sekali
anytime you
bibit-bibit
really dislike someone,
ya,
you are creating
buruk.
many more people.
Setiap kali Anda tidak suka dengan
So
seseorang,
you
Anda
gotta
menanam
be
banyak sekali
careful. Just
bibit-bibit
you
yang
gotta
kurang
stop.
baik atau jelek sekali. So, jadi Anda harus berhenti.
Next item. So I've been working for, I don't know, 50 years to find a good picture of what
Saya
it
sudah
feels
bekerja sekitar, saya sudah
to walk
berusaha sekitar 50 tahun
step from
untuk
planet to
mendapat,
planet after you see emptiness.
mengerjakan gambar,
Many years to find an appropriate
menghasilkan
picture.
gambar,
And I
berjalan
think I was
di
trying to tell
planet.
the AI to do something else, but it came up with this one. That's why the AI is a result of Diamond Way practice. Because Diamond Way means
Karena arti dari
AI
Diamond Way,
really is artificial intelligence, and it's
AI
sending
adalah
you messages,
kecerdasan buatan.
especially every time it messes up. Okay, listen, you can quote Grandpa later. When AI messes up, it's Vajrayogini sending you a message. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. I
Ya,
haven't figured
perhatikan.
out why she's insisting that people have
Saya,
3 fingers.
saya
I'm
belum
not
mengerti
sure
kenapa
yet what's
ada
that message.
ada
I'm
orang
working
yang
on it.
memiliki 3 jari.
But
Saya belum
my
mengerti,
AI came up with this picture, and
tapi
I
AI saya
love it.
menghasilkan
You
gambar
have
ini
to
dan saya
say
sangat suka sekali.
what it feels like to get to bodhicitta, real bodhicitta, after you see emptiness directly. In the next
Ketika Anda melihat
hour
kekosongan
or
secara
something like
langsung,
that,
jam-jam
this is what
berikutnya,
it feels like. Okay, just let that
rasanya
image cook
seperti
in
ini.
your mind, plant a seed in your mind.
Biarkan
That's what it feels
gambar
like.
ini
That's how
diproses
you
dalam
will
pikiran Anda.
feel when you're
Begitulah
stepping
Anda
from planet to
merasakan
planet, and it's
ketika
very
Anda
cool.
loncat dari
Okay.
satu
I
planet
have
ke
this
planet lain.
thing
Itu
group
agak
follow
sangat
me
keren
around
sekali.
like this, and they're asking
Ini
me
keren
stuff,
sekali.
and I'm just like, it's very hard
Ya,
to explain to you what happens. You know, I can say it, but you won't believe it, and you think I'm some kind of
saya bisa
weirdo.
mengatakan, tapi Anda mungkin tidak percaya.
But this is between us, right? In
Ini
English,
hanya
we
di
say
antara
us
kita.
chickens. We're all the same chickens in the same group, right? So I can
Kita
talk about stuff like this.
ayam yang sama di
That's what it feels like, okay? And the
itu
question that
perasaan.
First Panchen Lama talks about here is he asked the question,
Dia
what's the
menanyakan
difference between karuna and mahakaruna? Okay, what's the difference
apa
between
perbedaan antara karuna dan maha karuna.
what's the difference between compassion and
Apa
what we call
perbedaan
great
antara
compassion? Okay, Nyingje and Nyingje, what's the difference? Okay, and anybody want to guess? What's the difference between compassion?
apa perbedaan antara kasih sayang dan
Don't forget what he
kasih sayang
said
besar.
at this point in his book. Sing it.
Becoming bodhisattva is a great compassion, and compassion, just like as you are a human being, is still compassion. But when you have the experience meeting every living being, then becoming a great compassion.
Yeah, so you're right so far. Here's normal compassion, and then here's great compassion. And basically you said great compassion is bodhicitta. If this is bodhicitta in this picture, what happened
Secara umum,
Emptiness.
kita katakan yang sebelah kiri itu adalah
emptiness? Okay, all right? You got to think of it that way. All right? You have to think of it that way. Do you have compassion?
apakah Anda
Yes.
memiliki kasih sayang?
You know, I don't like to
Jawabannya
see
ya.
people suffer. I truly
Kenapa?
don't like to see people suffer. When I see
Sebenarnya kita tidak suka melihat orang-orang menderita.
And I feel like, man, I can help you. I can really help you. You can stop suffering.
Dalam hati kita ingin membantu orang itu.
And I'm like, okay, see you suffering later. And, I feel like I feel like I could help them to stop suffering, but they won't stay still long enough to listen. And then I learned
Saya ingin membantu mereka untuk berhenti dari penderitaan, tapi mereka tidak punya waktu untuk punya banyak waktu untuk di sana untuk saya tolong. Ketika Anda
So that's one thing. So there's normal compassion that we can all have. And then there's this kind of experience in the picture after you see emptiness directly. And what takes it from compassion to great compassion is emptiness. When you see emptiness,
apa yang dibutuhkan dari kasih sayang menuju kasih sayang besar adalah melihat kekosongan secara langsung. Penderitaan tidak bisa kita hindari. Kita bisa membantu semua orang-orang untuk tidak menderita.
Because they were smoking marijuana, okay?
Dalam seminggu ini ada
many people broke their back or smashed their head or something like that. And then you say, do you feel bad about it? You say, yeah, I feel.
Apakah Anda merasa tidak enak atas orang-orang yang menderita? Bagaimana kalau Anda bisa menghentikan itu? Ketika Anda merasa tidak enak terhadap orang-orang yang mendapatkan masalah dan Anda ingin membantu, itu artinya Anda punya kasih sayang. Kasih sayang besar adalah, oke, apakah kamu punya waktu 5 menit, saya bisa mengajarkan Anda untuk berhenti melihat mendapatkan penderitaan. Anda bisa belajar melihat kekosongan secara langsung dan untuk menghentikan penderitaan. Itu perbedaan dari kasih sayang dan kasih sayang besar. Dalam hal ini, dia ingin mengatakan bagaimana dari kasih sayang menjadi kasih sayang besar, hanya kita butuh melihat kekosongan secara langsung. Ini semua bisa kita latih dan kita bisa mengalaminya, kita bisa mendapatkannya. Dan saya ingin mengatakan,
they make a big deal about how normal Buddhist kindness is a good thing. It's a very wonderful thing. Without seeing emptiness, you can learn normal Buddhist kindness to where you truly take care of other people every day. Several times every day you do some major thing to take care of other people.
Beberapa waktu dalam satu hari Anda bisa mengerjakan hal-hal yang besar untuk menjaga orang lain. Ya, hidup yang lebih enak, tapi di ujung hidup Anda tahu, Anda bisa mendapatkan hidup yang baik karena saya sudah melewati itu, dan kamu bisa melewati semua hal itu, dan saya mengerti hal itu. Kamu tahu, saya bisa memberitahu Anda, saya bersumpah, saya mau menjaga semua orang. Itu sangat senang sekali. Anda harus mencoba itu. Itu adalah cara yang terbaik. Cara yang terbaik Anda menghabiskan waktu Anda. Apakah Anda makan obat-obatan? Anda tidak perlu menjawab Anda kalau Anda tidak nyaman. Ya, saya memakan obat-obatan. Dan saya memutuskan
and we talked about that. So I've been through a long life. I've tried almost everything.
Saya sudah mencoba semua hal karena saya hidup cukup lama dan tidak ada yang lebih bahagia tidak ada yang lebih bahagia ketika setiap waktu Anda untuk menolong orang. Dan terkadang sangat senang sekali. Coba beritahu berapa banyak uang yang saya sudah berikan. Ya, saya memberikan $10 ke sini, $20 ke sana. Ya, sudah saya memberikan ribuan dolar. Itu sangat hidup yang sangat hebat sekali, bahagia sekali ketika kita bisa memberikan kepada orang lain. Menjadi sangat bermurah hati dan memberikan kepada orang lain. Dan itu sangat senang sekali, sangat enak sekali. Itu adalah hal yang terbaik yang bisa Anda lakukan. Saya sumpah, itu adalah hal yang terbaik yang bisa Anda lakukan. Kecuali Anda bisa menambahkan kekosongan. Dan dengan menambahkan kekosongan, Anda bisa dari satu planet ke planet lain. Dan itu lebih enak lagi. Ya. Bermain kelereng di planet. Ya, para Brahma mereka bisa bermain planet seperti bermain kelereng. Anda bisa menjadi orang yang sangat bermurah hati dan membuat semua impian semua orang terjadi di seluruh planet, di seluruh galaksi. Ada mereka membuat gambar tentang ada gambar yang menunjukkan Anda melihat langsung kepada Bima Sakti. Bukan hanya satu galaksi, ada miliaran bintang. Itu tidak ada apa-apanya. Ada jillion persen, ada jillion dari bintang-bintang, subtrillion. Tambahin 60 nol, itu adalah sebanyak itu bintang-bintang yang ada di galaksi kita. Bayangkan Anda bisa menolong semua makhluk hidup, keinginan semua makhluk hidup di level itu. Bayangkan bisnis Anda sebesar itu. Semua orang bertanya, bagaimana Anda menghasilkan jutaan dolar? Anda membangun bisnis berlian. Anda bisa membantu miliaran orang atau hanya cuma satu perusahaan berlian. Anda bisa bermeditasi tentang kekosongan, oke? Kekosongan bisa membuat hidup Anda enak secara galaktik. Anda menolong miliaran orang. Di kelas saya ada 300 orang. Oke, bagaimana kita bisa menolong miliaran orang? Oke, Anda bisa mengerjakannya. Apa yang bisa membuat Anda dari permainan satu ke permainan lain hanyalah kekosongan. Buku ini sangat baik sekali. Malaikat dan Iblis. Saya
Anyway, we got a ways to go. How are we doing on time, you guys? In 5 minutes, I'll take questions, okay? So get your
5 menit saya menerima pertanyaan. Apakah ada pertanyaan?
Next picture.
Berikutnya, gambar berikutnya.
This is a dear
Ini
Hector and me
adalah
worked on this for a while. Ellie and me worked on
Hector
it.
dan saya
It's
sedang mengerjakan gambar ini.
carving, a woodblock carving of the Wheel of Life. And I had just reached India 50 years ago. Say hi. 33, enter.
Saya tiba di India 50 tahun yang lalu.
53 years
53 tahun yang lalu, dan saya hanya mencapai India. Saya ada di Himalaya dan di sana ada pengungsi yang ada pengungsi yang bertanya apakah Anda mau membeli parasut atau sepasang sepatu. Mereka berusaha menjual, mereka menjual tali sepatu dan mereka bertanya apakah Anda bisa memberikan saya 5 sen.
And I opened it and I looked at it just like King Udayana, and I was like, that's pretty chill, that's pretty cool. I don't know what it means, but it
Saya
looks
tidak
pretty
tahu
good to me.
artinya,
And so
yaitu.
I bought it, for a few
Jadi saya
dollars
membelinya untuk beberapa dolar dan saya membawa pulang.
Since then, we've
Dan
used it on many books and things like that. Okay.
mulai dari saat itu dan banyak buku dan banyak
The
hal-hal
Panchen Lama talks
seperti itu.
about the
Panchen
wheel,
Lama
the cycle of
mengatakan
dependence.
tentang
But then he says, if you really want to
roda
understand
ketergantungan, tapi
this wheel,
kemudian dia
there's
mengatakan
one important thing you
Anda
have
harus
to understand.
mengerti
So
roda
if you
ini,
look at the
Anda
wheel,
harus benar-benar mengerti tentang roda ini.
on the wheel, the outside
Kalau
wheel,
Anda melihat
there's
semua
12 pinches,
roda itu
right?
ada
And this goes
di
to A,
luaran roda
one
itu ada
triggers
12
two, two
gambar.
triggers three triggers four, like that.
Gambar
You're
pertama
supposed to be able to wheel
mengakibatkan
goes like that. It's more
gambar
complex than
kedua
that.
mengakibatkan gambar ketiga dan
10 is
seterusnya.
triggered from a combination of 8 and 9 if you have 2,
10 itu
like that.
datang dari
It's more
karena
complicated than that, but
diakibatkan
got
dari
this
gambar
nearby.
8, 9 dan
We've got all these,
8 dan 9.
we've got all these
Kita
12
semua
pinches.
melalui ini. Kita
Let's
semua
say they got one, two,
mengalami
three,
12
four,
gambar ini.
like a clock. That's
Ayo,
kind of convenient, by the
mari
way.
kita lihat
The
nomor
wheel
1, 2,
of
3, 4,
life and a
5.
Western clock go the same direction, and they have the same number of divisions. That's kind of lucky. Good luck. Okay, almost tantric. Okay, and then so it's going, and then but it's called interdependence. It's not called dependence. Okay.
Itu bukan itu disebutkan interdependence.
Not dependence. Okay.
Saling
Two
ketergantungan,
depends on
bukan
one. Three depends on
ketergantungan.
two. Four depends
Satu
on three.
tergantung
Five
kepada
depends
nomor
on
2,
four.
2
Okay.
tergantung kepada nomor 3, dan seterusnya.
One goes to two, two goes to three, three goes
Satu
to
menuju ke 2, 2 ke
but
3, 3 ke
on a
4, dan
deeper
seterusnya.
level, one
Tetapi
is one
di level lebih
because two
dalam,
came.
satu adalah satu karena 2 muncul.
Three is three because
3 adalah 3
yeah.
karena
Two is
yang
two
2.
is two because one came.
2 adalah 2 karena yang nomor 1 muncul, 3 adalah 3 karena nomor 2
Two is
muncul.
two because three came. Yeah. Two is
Ya,
two
maaf.
because three came. Okay.
Ya, 2 adalah 2
Phase
karena 3
causes
muncul.
phase.
Ya, hal yang
Can't
berikutnya
get a
mengakibatkan hal sebelumnya.
second link before the third link unless the third link is there already.
Anda tidak bisa
Which means
mendapatkan
the
link
third link
kedua
has to come
sebelum
before the
link
second. Which
ketiga,
means there's a
kecuali link
mutual
ketiga sudah ada.
causation
Artinya,
between
link dua link itu saling saling ada
it is
hubungan.
the case
Artinya,
of being irritated
dua
at
hal itu saling mengakibatkan.
people
Oke?
around you because you don't understand they're coming
Jadi,
from you. It is
orang-orang
the
yang
case that
menjengkel
that is
itu
causing
di
you
sekeliling
suffering.
Anda karena Anda
But
tidak mengerti datang dari Anda.
that kind
Dan
of
dalam hal ini
misunderstanding
Anda
couldn't
menderita.
exist
Oke?
without the irritating
Hal
person.
itu tidak akan terjadi
Okay? So there's a
kalau
deeper level
Anda
of causation where the
mereka tidak
result
ada orang-orang yang
causes the
menjengkelkan itu tidak
cause.
ada
There's a deeper level of causation
tanpa adanya
where the
orang-orang yang
result
menjengkelkan.
causes
Oke?
the cause.
Dalam
The
level yang lebih
person
dalam
who
lagi,
criticizes
at-
you
sebab akibat
created your criticism of other
hasil
people that caused them.
hasil mengakibatkan
The
akibat.
person that
Dalam
criticizes
level
you
yang lebih dalam
was
tentang sebab
created
akibat,
by your earlier criticism.
hasil
That was created
hasil
by the
itu
person who
datang
caused it.
dari
Okay, and we'll talk about it. I think we're out of
hasil
time.
itu yang mengakibatkan akibat.
If I keep
Orang-orang yang suka
doing this,
mengkritik Anda,
remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow.
yang
If you
mengkritik
really
Anda,
want to understand
menciptakan
why you
orang-orang
suffer,
yang
and if you really want to
suka
understand
mengkritik.
emptiness, and you really want to understand causation, you have to understand
Ketika Anda mengerti
that the
tentang sebab
first step
akibat,
of the wheel of
Anda
life
akan mengerti
causes the second step of the wheel of life. The
langkah
second step of
pertama
the wheel of life
di roda kehidupan mengakibatkan langkah kedua dan berikutnya.
But until you see emptiness, you cannot walk planet. Okay?
Anda
Which is a
bisa
bigger being.
berbaik kepada semua orang, tapi sampai Anda melihat kekosongan, Anda tidak bisa berjalan di antara planet.
Universal compassion, galactic compassion, okay? And then
Ya, kasih sayang lebih besar lagi, kalau kasih sayang galaktik.
understanding that things don't cause other things later cause other things before. It goes both ways, okay?
Hal
And if you
itu tidak
understand that,
mengakibatkan hal berikutnya. Hal berikutnya mengakibatkan hal sebelumnya. Dan itu seperti bergerak dua arah. Dan kalau Anda mengerti itu, Anda bisa mencapai kasih sayang yang luar biasa, ultimate.
the king, K-pop TV show, The King's Affection. Okay, if you haven't seen The King's Affection on Netflix, you gotta see it. This is the best of
Kalau
K-pop.
Anda belum menonton kasih sayang raja, coba
Okay.
Anda lihat di
Me
Netflix.
and my wife kind of
Anda
got
bisa
into it. I'm sorry, but they are so
ini adalah
innocent and
K-pop
beautiful. They're
terbaik,
just like BTS.
opera sabun.
They are
Dan
beautiful
ini
and they're
istri saya
extraordinary to
melihatnya,
do The King's Affection, you know.
mereka
The
seperti
only
BTS,
thing.
sangat
sorry.
cantik sekali.
I'm not so into that yet, but anyway.
Pengacara
I'm
Wu,
trying to say,
The King of
Netflix is really good at
Affliction.
saying,
Anda
see
tahu
the next episode,
hal yang sangat
and you'll find out if the king ever
menjengkelkan.
his tutor guy, because the king is really the princess.
Karena raja itu sebenarnya adalah seorang
You gotta come
pangeran.
here next time, I'll tell you.
Anda harus nonton.
I don't want you to think I'm strange.
Oke. Saya tidak ingin
Two
mengatakan
children
Anda
were born
aneh.
at the same time to a Korean emperor.
Dua anak lahir di waktu yang sama
They come in
dan
to
oleh
assassinate the male
kerajaan
ruler,
Korea,
assassinate
satu pria dan satu lagi wanita. Mereka harus membunuh yang wanita, tapi sang ratu ingin menyelamatkan sang bayi laki-laki. Jadi mereka ingin sehingga bayi pria itu diangkat menjadi pangeran.
Question from Malaysia.
Okay. Hi Malaysia.
Oke, ada pertanyaan?
Thank you for doing Malaysia, Jasmine.
Dari Malaysia. Thank you, Jasmine dari Malaysia.
Hello, Geshe-la. We are
Hello,
here
Geshe-la.
with Teacher Nick and Teacher Sarani.
Di sini ada Teacher Nick dan Teacher Sarani.
切换的那个图不对。So we have a question from one of our smart students.
Kita ada pertanyaan dari salah satu murid dan translator dan excellent.
Hi Geshe-la, thank you very much for your teaching. We are really grateful for your
Terima kasih Geshe-la atas pengajaran Anda. Kami sangat menikmati pengajaran Anda. Karena kami di Malaysia, kami ingin masuk lebih dalam lagi tentang
when we look at the things, what is the thing that making us to think? How do we realize different categories? That is the question we are trying to explore at the moment. Yes. So when we, for example, when we looking at the things,
ketika kita melihat sesuatu atau gelas atau pena, apa yang ada saat itu dalam pikiran kita.
When we are young, and but like some people will say, oh, what if those people who live in the forest, they never got to be taught about pen, then how it is, yeah. So that is the idea about Chi Cherak. Could you please go a little bit deeper on that? Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for asking me to go deeper. I enjoy that.
Ya, terima kasih sudah bertanya saya lebih dalam lagi. Saya sangat menikmati itu. So ini akan menjadi kesalahan saya kalau saya membuat Anda bingung. Saya harus menceritakan cerita ini. Saya senang menceritakan cerita karena mungkin Anda akan mengingat dengan cerita. Dan setelah itu saya akan menjawab Anda. Saya tidak mengatakan ini mudah untuk diingat, tapi saya mengatakan kepada beberapa orang belakangan ini, mereka membuat biografi saya, membuat film tentang biografi saya. Mereka interview saya dan dua saudara saya 3 hari yang lalu memohon kepada saya, salah satu murid di Arizona, pergi ke Rumah Putih mendapatkan award dari presiden, dan setelah itu ke Princeton University. Saya mendapatkan kehormatan di Princeton dan belajar kepada guru berikutnya di hari berikutnya, dan setelah itu saya di graduate. Saya merasa saya pintar sekali. Saya seorang kulit putih besar, kamu tahu, dan saya ke guru saya, dan guru Profesor Budi saya mengajarkan saya, dan melalui tangan dia, saya belajar menjaga dia, dan teacher saya bersumpah untuk membuat saya seorang Buddhis. Setelah itu kamu tahu saya menghabiskan 25 tahun dengan guru yang sangat keras ini. Dia menyepak saya di tempat yang sama lagi dan lagi dan lagi. Setiap kali saya mencoba mengatakan, dia mencoba membuktikan saya salah. Setiap kali saya mengatakan pizza itu enak, dia bilang tidak, itu tidak, dan kamu tahu, dan itu seperti tidak memiliki kesempatan untuk terlihat seperti pintar. Tidak ada kesempatan sekalipun. Oke, suatu saat dia mengatakan, Mike, apakah kamu bisa menjelaskan kepada saya kata tentang science? Saya tidak punya kalimat kata di bahasa saya. Dia membuat sebuah kata. Dia membuat kalimat kata buatan. Mereka tidak punya kata tentang sains. Mereka tidak punya ide tentang sains, dan dia mengatakan, kamu tahu Anda tak ada mengerti tentang agama. Dalam filosofi kamu tahu kalimat budaya, sains, apa itu? Akhirnya saya punya kesempatan untuk menunjukkan saya adalah seorang yang pintar. Nah, seperti inilah. Kamu tahu, di awalnya tidak ada apa-apanya, dan setelah itu terjadi Big Bang, dan kamu tahu, dan dengan ekstra teleskop atmosfer Anda bisa mengamati semua Big Bang, karena Big Bang itu harus punya waktu agar kita lihat, dan kita bisa melihat Big Bang itu, karena karena cahaya itu masih menuju ke sini, belum selesai. Dan dia keren sekali. Ya, begitulah semua hal datang, dan dia mengatakan,
Science believes everything has a cause. You just have to be patient. No superstition.
Tidak ada tentang yang superstition. Tidak seperti monyet dan
Adam and Eve was a monkey and a witch, and they had sex, And that's why we're so weird. They created the human race. And there's an ancient Tibetan belief. I said, we're not like those monkey and witches, you know? We believe in the Big Bang. We believe everything has a cause, you know? We
Kita
look for the
percaya
cause.
akan Big Bang.
You can
Kita.
cure cancer, you can make metal fly in the sky.
Anda percaya
You can go
semua punya ada akibatnya, Anda bisa menyembuhkan
I should have
kanker,
known from his excited.
membuat
This is an old
langit.
debater's trick to make you an idiot. Just like, wow, that's so great. And he
Dia
says,
mengatakan,
yeah,
wah itu sangat hebat sekali.
this is
Dan
the
semua
very
punya
foundation of your. Really,
sebabnya.
science is your religion.
Dan ini sangat-sangat
You know, people have their own
sangat dasar sekali.
Baptist,
Fondasi yang sangat dasar. Dan ini
Chakrabaka, whatever. But really, the world religion is iPhone and science. And he says that's amazing. You know, everything has a cause. You can figure out everything from the result. You work to the cause. I said, yeah, it's amazing. And he says, wow, so everything had a cause, right? I should have recognized it.
semua hal punya sebabnya. Ya, Anda harus mengenali itu. Apa yang mengakibatkan Big Bang? Kemudian saya,
Didn't have a cause. Oh, there's things that don't have a
Big
cause.
Bang itu
Yeah.
tidak punya
In this principle
akibat
science,
sebab.
everything has a cause. Yeah, but
Ya,
some things
tapi
don't have
di
a cause. Right.
secara prinsipal semua prinsipal dari
Except some things aren't cause. Right.
sains itu semua hal
Now,
punya.
you're playing with me. Now I know you're playing with me, you know. You are
Saya tahu Anda
criticizing
bermain dengan saya.
my
Anda sedang mengkritik saya,
that the universe
mengkritik kepercayaan saya.
And I said, well, what's your
Univers,
option? What do you think? And he said,
bagaimana menurut Anda?
if the
Dan dia
universe
mengatakan,
had a cause, then
jika
obviously it
jika
could
alam
have a
semesta
beginning.
mempunyai sebab,
Duh.
sudah
You know,
pastinya
don't be so stupid, you know?
tidak
If
punya
something's
awal.
there, something
Semua,
caused it.
jika semua hal itu ada
And
di
if
sana,
something
semua
caused it, the thing that caused
semua
it
hal.
had a cause. Duh. And
Oleh
there is
karena
no
itu,
first beginning and
semua
ending.
sebab
And I was
pasti ada
really,
sebabnya, dan
I
semua
felt
sebab pasti
very
ada
hurt
sebabnya
and
lagi.
kind of angry because I was
Saya
more
merasa sangat terluka
with the
dan
monkey
ingin
and the
marah
witch. And I mean,
karena saya mengatakan
Big
ini
Bang,
bukan dan
you
tidak
know,
ada hal-hal
and
yang
he's like,
seperti monyet
Mike,
dan
Mike, he called me Mike, Mike, try to calm down. Try to think clearly. By the
penyihir.
way, that's Buddhist logic. Pramana means
Mike,
try
dia
to
bilang,
think
Mike, tenang
honestly,
dulu.
try to think clearly. Try not to be swayed by
Buddhis itu sangat logika
answer
sekali.
me honestly. Is it
Coba
possible
jawab
something
saya
can
dengan
happen
jujur,
without a cause?
apakah semua
And I
hal
said, no,
bisa
it's not possible. Then there's no
terjadi,
beginning.
apakah mungkin
You know,
terjadi kalau
it
tidak
is
punya
obviously
sebabnya? Dan saya menjawab, tidak
foolish
mungkin.
and wrong to say there's a beginning. There cannot be.
Jadi
In other
bagaimana
words, the
Anda
first thing
mengatakan
everything
bahwasanya
begins in.
semua hal itu datang dari
And just
awal?
try to get comfortable with it. It's okay.
Karena tidak
You're not a
bisa.
bad person. You know,
Semua
there
hal
was no beginning
di
because
awalnya
any point you take
pasti
had a
punya
cause,
sebabnya.
and that had a cause, and that had a cause. Therefore,
Dan sebab
if
itu
you
pasti
are
ada sebabnya, dan
truly
sebab itu pasti ada sebabnya.
logical,
Oleh karena
and if
itu,
you are
Anda
unbiased
harus
by
sangat
your
dengan
culture,
logika,
which is a huge goal in
terlalu
life,
bias.
you know, can you admit that there was no cause? And
Apakah
first
Anda
cause,
mau
the
mengakui
first
tidak
cause. I said,
ada
yeah, you'd have to say that. You would have to say that.
tidak ada
Then I
sebab?
slowly started to get used to it
Sebab
because
pertama,
I grew up in a
saya
Christian
mulai
church, strong,
perlahan-lahan saya
heavily
mulai
based,
terbiasa.
still respect it,
Dan saya
still feel comfortable with it. And then
saya
my first grade teacher said things had to start.
dewasa di
My whole
gereja
education told
Kristen.
me things had a beginning, you know. Now here's this guy trying to say there's no beginning, which means if you came to this world once,
Kalau Anda datang di
it's
dunia ini
completely
sekali,
illogical to say it's the only time. It's completely
itu
wrong.
sangat tidak logikal
It's just
sekali,
not logic, you know.
tidak masuk
If you
akal.
throw the dice
Secara
12 times,
keseluruhan
you
itu
get
salah.
12 once, right? If you throw the dice 10 zillion times, you will get 10 zillion 12s. It's okay. That's the way it is, okay? If there are causes and conditions for you to happen once in this lifetime, if time is infinite, what are you talking about? You've only been here once, you know? How can you say
Kalau
that?
waktu itu tidak terbatas, bagaimana Anda mengatakan Anda di sini hanya sekali lagi? Anda tidak mungkin di sini sekali. Karena Anda punya sebab dan akibat untuk terlahir sekali. Kalau Anda melemparkan dadu bermiliar-miliar kali,
billions of times the dice will land on its edge, on its point, and it will balance there. Okay? If you throw the dice a billion times, a billion times it will land without falling down. It will land on the corner. You see what I mean? It has to be. Therefore, you have seen and experienced everything in the universe countless times. Okay, you have been, I like to say, Rick, you have been Miss America countless times. It was yesterday, I think, Miss America contest, and I saw it in the newspaper. But, you know, you've been everything. You've been president of the country countless
Anda
times.
sudah melewati berkali-kali.
Mass murderer countless times. Who are you to judge these crazy people?
Siapa Anda?
You've done 10 times worse, billions of times, you know. So every image in the universe, except for emptiness, that's another thing, is in your mind. You have seen everything. You have seen everything. You have seen a cup. You have seen a pen. You have seen all those things. When we teach those
Ketika kita
topics,
mengajarkan semua topik itu tentang mental image, saat Anda punya mobil, Anda punya melihat gelas, pulpen atau sesuatu, ketika kita mengajar di DCI, kita tidak bisa melewati batas tentang agama. Ini adalah prinsip dari DCI. Kalau Anda mengajarkan tentang ini,
that's a religious thing. People take it as a religious thing. You have to have the good sense to know how
Anda harus
far
punya
you can go with your audience. Okay? And if
rasa
you're
yang
in
baik.
this audience or something like that, you
Kalau
do
Anda
not
di
say your
audiensnya,
image of a cup came from your 13,000 lives ago. You know, which is true, but you can't say it. So that's just being a good teacher. A good teacher has to know the limitations of their audience, and they have to go to what the audience can accept. And so I think a lot of us who are trying to be teachers, ACI teachers, Five House teachers, you have to know this rule. You know, you have to judge your audience. You know, there may be laws in the country where you are. I was teaching in Uzbekistan. Whoa.
saya mengajar di Uzbekistan.
Circle around the room. And
Ya,
they're waiting for me to say something, you know, that's
polisi berkeliling di ruangan, mereka menunggu saya mengatakan sesuatu, kamu tahu, dan itu tidak baik.
you know, so you have to respect the laws where you are. You have to respect that it's each country's right to make their own laws. You cannot say to a country, you know, I know law better than you know. I'm American, you know, especially nowadays. Okay. It's not a reason to say you understand law. You have to follow the customs and traditions of where you're teaching. Okay. So anyway, when we teach it in DCI, we go back
Ketika
to
kita
your
mengajar
mom
di
teaching.
DCI,
But
kita harus
that's just
kembali kepada ibu Anda ketika Anda
for the audience.
mengajarkan tentang pena.
If you're in a Five Houses,
Kita harus menyesuaikan dengan audiens kita, oke?
whatever's true, and not get locked up the next day, or have your friends locked up, then you have to, then you can talk about, look, you never had a first pen experience. You never saw your first pen. Come on. You know, that's Big Bang. You're talking Big Bang. Got it? You never had a first pen image in your mind. There's never been one. You've been having them forever. Okay, got it? You all right? You okay with that? That's the truth. I can say it in a Five Houses audience. Okay? If you say I said that in another audience, I'll say, I didn't say that. Okay. So you've had pen pictures in your mind. You've had
Anda punya gambaran kira di dalam gambaran pulpen di dalam pikiran.
mind has been
Anda
defining.
sudah punya definisi
Then there
pena.
comes obviously the argument, what about emptiness? Have I seen emptiness countless times? And the answer is, what do you call it?
Dan jawabannya adalah
I'm not embarrassed to say no. You haven't got to the first one yet. Okay? It is that's also possible. That is also possible. It happens to be the case. I like to say we are in the back row of the galaxy class. Most planets already got enlightened a long time ago. Okay? We're like the stupid of the stupid. We're like those fish at the bottom of the ocean who never saw light. You know, we're the human race. We are the bottom feeders of the universe, and we'll get there. Don't worry about it. Okay. All right. I think we have to stop there. How long, Tim? Pachi?
kita harus berhenti di sini.
We come back at 4:45. Okay. I'll sit here. I mean, I'll say hi to as many people as I can. Probably I can't say hi to everybody, but
Mungkin saya tidak bisa
considerate of the other people. Don't start to tell me your whole life story. Like half your life story is okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.